children. Now today I am going to explain fractions. What is a fraction? Fraction is a part of a whole. Fraction is a part of a whole. Fraction indicates equal parts of a whole thing. Equal parts of a whole thing. For example, I have an apple. I have an apple. This apple I'll distribute into two members equally. How can I distribute? I got an idea. So this apple I'll cut it into two pieces. I'll cut it into two pieces. Each child will get half of an apple. Half of an apple each child will get. Okay. What is a fraction? This is called fraction. Fraction is a number. It's a form of A by B. Fraction is a number. It's a form of A by B. A by B. So here three parts are there. What are the three parts? Upper part, down part and middle part. The upper part is called as numerator. The down part is called as denominator. And the middle line is called division line. That whole part is this one. Whole part we divide into some parts. So the whole part, the whole thing, the whole apple we divide into two parts. Whole thing. How many parts are there total? Total parts we need to write in the as denominator. Okay. Total parts is two parts. 1, 2. How many parts the child ate? Only one part the child ate. So one is as numerator. Okay. So this is a fraction. Fraction of introduction of fraction. Let us examine let us do the activity model. Well, how to do activity? I will show you. See children, this is a circle shape. I take a chalk and cut it into a circle. Cut it into a circle shapes. And this shape I'll divide into a 4 parts. 1, 2. Okay. So this is first part, second part, third part, fourth part. Okay. This is total. First of all, pink part is total whole part. Whole part. Whole part. One piece I'll cut. I'll keep from the. See magic. See the yellow color chart. How many parts of yellow color chart is there? Only one part. Out of 4 parts, only one part will consider. What is the fraction of yellow part? Yellow part is considered as 1 out of 4 parts. 1 out of 4 parts. So this fraction is called as 1 by 4. This fraction, yellow part fraction is called as 1 by 4. Now see here. Half of the part. Okay, half of the part. One full part. I'll cut it into 2 parts. What is the yellow fraction? Yellow color fraction? 1, 2. 2 parts. 2 by 4. 2 by 4. 2 parts. Out of 4 parts. Out of 4 parts, 2 parts are the yellow color part. So cut, simplify. 2 1s are, 2 2s are. It is a form of half. Half means half of the part. Half means half of the part. Half a whole thing. Next, see here. 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. Out of 4 parts, the yellow part is, fraction of yellow part is 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. So, total parts we have to write as a denominator. 4 parts. And yellow color part is only 3 parts. Okay. The fraction of yellow part is now 3 by 4. Now see this. The fraction of yellow part, total yellow color. Whole part is yellow color. 4 by 4. Total parts are 4. Total parts are 4. The yellow color part is 4. One table. 1 4s are 1 1. So 4 1s are 4. 4 1s are 4. The part is only 1. whole part we got. Now you understand what is a fraction? Now let's do activity. Activity is completed now. Now let's do the cartoons. Shall we see the cartoons? Okay. On. Here see. Here one pizza they order. One pizza they order. Here 5 members are there. See here pizza. 5 members are there. They want to share this pizza equally into 6 pieces. Into 6 pieces. How many members are here? 5 members are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 members are there. They want to equally they have to share this pizza. Okay, how come they have to share? See here 1, 2, 3. So one part I put it in the one plate. One part I put it in the one plate. So this part is a 1 by 6 because of one part. Total parts are 6. The taken part is one part. So 1 by 6. This part is called 1 by 6. Now in the plate two pizzas I put. 2 parts I put. So 2 parts out of 6 parts. 2 out of 6 parts. So this pizza is 2 out of 6 parts. Okay, now we understand how many parts are here. This is the 1 by 6 part. This is the 2 by 6 part. So such numbers are called fractions. These numbers are called fractions. Now you understand better? Okay. Now the fraction whole part divided into equal parts. The whole part divided into equal parts. Fractions expressed as a part of a whole. Just now I said fractions expressed as a part of a whole. Okay, part of a whole. These 6 members they eat the pizza. Now you understand, children? Let's go to the next topic. Now let us examine what ideas a fraction 2 by 3 represented. What ideas a fraction 2 by 3 represented. Now see some examples of fractions. See here one triangle I drawn. This triangle I equally divided into 3 parts. Equally divided into 3 parts. In this 2 by 3, which fraction is represented is a shaded part. See here children, I shaded only 2 parts I shaded. Out of 3, 2 parts I shaded. So this part, shaded part is a 2 by 3. Shaded part is represented as a 2 by 3. The shaded part of in this figure is represented as a 2 by 3. Let us take another symbol. Okay. Let us take another shape is rectangle. This is the rectangle. At this rectangle, I divide into 3 equal parts. 1, 2, 3. 3 equal parts. So, what is the represented by 2 by 3? We taken 2 by 3. So, 2 parts we need to shade from the out of 3 parts. So, 2 parts are shaded. So, this shaded part of each figure, represent as a 2 by 3 of the entire figure. 2 by 3 of the entire figure. Now, we understand how much the 3 is the total parts. 2 is the shaded parts or unshaded parts. Okay, it may represent 2 out of 3 members. For example, here are some members are there. Okay, 3 members are there. 3 members are there. These 3 members out of 2 members going to playing. Going for playing. So 2 out of 3 and 2 by 3 are going for playing. Okay, next is, shall I take another example? Okay, 2 by 3 represent as, I'll give you one more example. I have some fruits. What are the fruits I'll tell you? I have some fruits. These fruits, see here, apple, banana. Okay, apple and banana. I have 3 fruits. Total fruits, 3 fruits. From 3 fruits, 2 are apples. So, what is the apples fraction? 2 by 3. 2 by 3 are the apples. So, it may represent 2 out of 3 fruits are apples. 2 out of 3 fruits are apples. Now you understand better how to represent the fractions? Now understand? Okay, let us go to the next topic. Equivalent fractions. What are the equivalent fractions? Okay, equivalent fractions. What is the equivalent fractions? Equal. The name is equal. Equal means 2 or more fractions having the same value. 2 or more fractions having the same value or representing the same part of a whole are called equivalent fractions. Let us do the exam. Okay, now I have see here children, 3 circles are drawn here. In these 3 circles, I'll cut it into some parts. So first circle, I'll cut it into 2 parts. And the second circle, I'll cut it into 4 parts. And the third circle, I'll cut it into 6 parts. Equally, remember, equally distribution. It's called already I told you children, equally. In the previous class, what I told you, equally distribution is called as a division. Very good. It is related to division also. I'll explain now. See here children, one whole part I'll divide into 2 parts. Okay. Here one whole part I'll divide into 4 parts. Total parts we have write as a denominator, right? So here one part I'll divide into 6 parts. Now I want only, see here children, magic. I shaded this side. I shaded this side. I shaded this side. So what is the shaded part of a fraction? Can you see? Just now I told shaded part of fraction. So I'll tell you, one part is shaded. So it is represented as a 1 by 2. Here 2 parts are shaded out of 4. So 2 by 4. Here 1, 2, 3 parts are shaded. So 3 by 6. Now you understand. All these are equal. Did you observe all these are equal? No? Yes. Yes. All these fractions are equal because of same part of a whole. Here same part of a whole are called equivalent. Just now I told same part of a whole. Half part. Yes or no? So these fractions are all equal. So we represent as a 1 by 2 equal to 2 by 4 equal to 3 by 6. All these fractions are equal. These fractions are called as equivalent fractions. Since the value does not change. Since the value is changed, shall we cut it? Shall we do in simplest form? 2 1s are 2 2s are off. Again 3 1s are 3 2s are off. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Since the value is changed? No, the value does not change. If the numerator, upper number is called numerator and down number is called denominator. Numerator and denominator of the given fractions multiplied or divided by the same number, that two non-zero numbers. Therefore, to get a fraction of equivalent fractions. Now you understand children what is the equivalent fractions? So half equal to, therefore half equal to 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 4 by 8 and so on. The dots indicate so on numbers, infinity of numbers. So let us go to the next topic. go to the cartoons. We'll see the cartoons. What is the equivalent fraction? Just now I explained. But more understanding for, I'll show you a cartoon. Start the video. See here, the children set these jigsaw puzzles. Here see, one diagram is there. So this diagram. Here see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 parts are there. How many parts are here? 6 parts are there. Here see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 parts. Here see mark, 4 parts. So 3 parts are colored. 3 out of 6. 2 out of 4. So 1 out of 2 parts. These all are equals. These fractions are called equivalent fractions. Already told you. See, now you better understanding the color part. Here see the color part and the same of part and the same of part. So these fractions represent the shaded parts. All these different fractions, all are different fractions, but these fractions are equivalent fractions. Now you understand? To better understanding, we can see these examples. So, such fractions are called equivalent fractions. Such fractions are called equivalent fractions.